In this video, I'll introduce you to the Weeplow O'Pure 2 water filters, made from premium activated carbon and hollow fibers. The base is made of BPA-free plastic, safe for human consumption. It's also molded with the brand's logo, so you can be sure it's an authentic product and not a counterfeit. These filters can purify up to 22,000 litres of water before replacement and have been tested by multiple independent labs. They can be used to filter tap water at home, but also to purify less safe sources like rainwater or well water. I will now demonstrate how to prime these filters before their initial use, so they can function optimally. First step, I'm going to place the provided gasket onto the filter's screw thread, so the water properly enters the filter and doesn't splash. After that, I'm going to position the gasket against the faucet. I open the faucet in order to get a stream of cold water, not too strong and not too weak, so that the water can thoroughly penetrate the filter's interior. I hold the position for 2 minutes. Water will eventually appear as droplets. An alternative way to prime the filters is to soak them in a pitcher of water for 60 minutes, though pressurized priming through the faucet is preferred. Now the filter is properly primed, you'll need to make sure to prime each other filters before installing them in the tank. Now that the filters have been primed, I will proceed with the assembly. So I'll remove the screw. I make sure to keep the seal in the upper tank. I'm just going to put the filter inside. And then I proceed to tighten the component with the screw. I'll repeat the process with the second filter. Now that the filters have been installed, I'm going to put the upper tank back in place. We're now going to pour the water we want to filter into the upper tank. Just a quick note, it's still preferable to run 2 to 3 filtration cycles before consuming the water. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You can now fully enjoy the refreshing benefits of pure and authentic water with Weeplow.